Begin by launching the presentation software on your computer. Open PowerPoint and wait for the application to load completely, ensuring that you have a smooth and uninterrupted experience. Once the program is running, locate and open the presentation that contains the images you would like to use. This might be a file stored on your computer or one located on your network drive. Ensure that your presentation is loaded correctly so that all the photos appear on your slides. Once your presentation is open and visible, the next step is to select the images that you want to include in your collage. To do this quickly, use the keyboard shortcut by pressing the Control key along with the letter A. This command will select all the images within your current slide or group of slides, allowing you to work on them simultaneously. If you prefer to choose specific images rather than all of them, hold down the Control key while clicking on each image individually. This approach gives you the flexibility to form a collage that best suits your design intentions by including only the photos you want. After you have made your selection, direct your focus to the formatting features available in PowerPoint. Navigate to the Picture Format tab found near the top of the window. This tab contains various options tailored for editing and enhancing images within your presentation. The Picture Format tab is where you will find tools that can adjust the appearance of your photos, such as brightness, contrast, and other stylistic effects that prepare them for a collage. Within the Picture Format tab, look for the option labeled Picture Layout. Clicking on this option will open up a variety of layout choices specifically designed to transform your selected images into a dynamic and visually appealing collage. The interface will display several collage options, each offering a different arrangement of your photos. These options vary in the way they incorporate multiple images onto a single slide, providing creative layouts that enhance the visual storytelling of your presentation. Once you have clicked on Picture Layout, review the available collage options presented on your screen. Each layout provides a unique arrangement that distributes your images in an engaging manner. Select the photo collage option that best meets your vision for the presentation. Take a moment to consider how each layout presents the images together, ensuring that the final design complements the overall theme of your slides. Following this selection, your images will be automatically arranged into a collage format as per the chosen template. This method allows you to quickly and effectively create a visually cohesive group of photos with minimal manual adjustment. The resulting collage not only enhances the aesthetic quality of your presentation, but also improves the overall flow of visual information. Enjoy the streamlined process and the creative potential that PowerPoint offers through its intuitive interface for managing multiple images at once.